Hey Joakim, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool bar right here, and basically what this is a magnetic phone holder that you can put in your car. So the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, Syncwire. But first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open the product, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to install the product. And right underneath that, you can see the actual product right here, and it's all nicely protected right here. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you take out the product, you see there's a bunch of stuff underneath it. Let's take it out and see what's included. So basically inside they provide some wet wipes that you can use to wipe off the product or the surface before you guys apply it on. And then right here we have a small little envelope. Let's see what's included inside. So you can see inside there's a bunch of mounting accessories that you can use to mount your product. Let's take it out and see what's included inside. Alright, so you can see that this is basically everything that's included inside. So there's a bunch of mounting accessories like I mentioned. So there's like the magnetic option or the non-magnetic option on here. And that's basically everything that's included in a small envelope right here. But right here we have the actual product. So they definitely have the logo right there. And this is the magnetic option right here. If we turn in the back part right here, that is basically where the tape is. So the back part right here, you guys want to peel off this part right here. So that way you can actually stick it onto your dashboard or somewhere else in your car. Wherever you guys want to put it, that's up to you guys. When you see the middle part right here, it is rotatable 360. If you guys want to go like this, you definitely can. And it's pretty stiff or pretty hard. So that's actually pretty nice. So that way when you guys actually use the product, it won't move around really easily and it stays pretty still. But obviously you do have the rotatable option as well if you guys want to rotate it when you guys set it up. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Let's try it out and see how well it works. Alright, so I have my phone right here and we have the actual product right here. Let's test it out with a case to see how strong it is first. Alright, so when I put it on like that, you guys can see how strong is it. But let me try to hold it right here and see how strong is it after it. Alright, so I'm not even pulling it down, but it's dropping by itself. So the magnet is not strong enough with a case on. But let me actually try to take off the case and try again. Alright, so I just took off the case. Let's try again. Alright, so when we have it on, you can see that it still slides a little bit. So the magnet is not like completely strong. But it's definitely much stronger than you guys using without the case on. If you do want a stronger option or if you guys want to make it much stronger, they do have a little accessory that you can use right here. So basically you just want to peel off the back tape right here and stick it onto the back of your case. But if you guys do end up using the product with the phone on, you guys can see the magnet is not strong enough. So you definitely want to put the extra layer on top if you guys want to make sure this product works for any kind of phone. Whether you guys get the new phone or old phone, all you guys do is put it onto your case or on your phone and then it's all set. I do recommend that you actually put this onto your case because if you guys put it onto your phone, the magnet on here might affect the wireless charging on your device. So it's definitely something to kind of remember. But I'm actually doing a quick test to show you guys what it actually looks like if we put it inside right here like this. Alright, so we got the magnet inside right here. Let's give it a try again. So all we need to do is go like this. If you can see, it's much more stronger now once we put the magnet inside right here. So that's another option if you guys don't want to stick it onto your case directly. You guys can actually put it inside the case and it definitely works pretty well if you guys can see. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want like a phone holder that's in use in the car, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.